In 2012 in New York, we had Hurricane Sandy, and one of the rescue organizations had a wall collapse and lost an animal due to an inability to stop the traumatic bleeding. And at the time, we were developing Vetigel specifically for major trauma in humans. And a friend of mine said, listen, I know that we're focused on this, but there's a massive need in the animal health industry.
In this Good Minute, Joe Landolina, CEO and co-founder of Cresilon, discusses developing their innovation, Vetigel.
I was lucky growing up. My grandfather was an ex-Hoffman-LaRoche executive, and he had a chemistry lab that was across the street from my house. So that meant the day I learned how to walk, I was allowed into a lab. And my parents wanted me working on projects that were safe, and so I was working with a lot of plant-based stuff like seaweed and algae and anything else that I get my hands on. And when I was 17 years old, I discovered the technology behind Vetigel, which is a blend of two polymers that come from algae that immediately stops any type of bleeding, from small nicks and scrapes through dental bleeds all the way up to surgical bleeds and even major trauma. And so we went out, we started talking to vets, and we realized that this would be an excellent place to bring the product first because it gives us the opportunity to be able to pilot across a very broad set of indications in a market where there really are no competitors that work efficiently across every single niche within this space. And it gives us an opportunity to take market share quickly and make a difference quickly. With Vetigel, we have a really easy metric for defining good, which is saving lives. And one of the benefits that we've always seen is that stopping bleeding or hemostasis is such an immediately measurable thing. With hemostasis, you can see the results instantly, and being able to deliver that result on the table for the patient in the moment or for the clinician in the moment is how we define good and what it is that we're doing for that patient.
At Rutter, we believe veterinarians are critical for promoting pet care brands, and no agency knows vets better than we do. Visit betarutter.com/petcare to learn more.